spy cam. Attempt number 1. You can use it to catch your brothers and sisters doing something they're not supposed to do, or you can try and do things like sending important messages by recording yourself. And if you have a GoPro, you can hook it onto anything you need to, like use six paper bags and maybe a box to hook the GoPro onto, and then you'll have yourself a makeshift message box. If someone is like downstairs in your house and you need to send a message to them or something, just toss it off like the top floor or the railing of your stairs, and it will float down to the stairs, and then the person will see the box or the GoPro, and they will open the box. There will be an alarm, and they'll know that's an important message. And you can write on the box, important message. So why don't we test that out? First, attempt number 1, I'm gonna just stand on a chair and just drop it. If that doesn't work, I'm gonna go for like a little bit higher, like on the stairs. Little difficulties. Even though it flips upside down, you can still record. If you want to record someone, why don't you put your GoPro on a stick, but make sure the stick has adjustable areas so that you can like stick it over the railing or something and record someone doing something hilarious and then post it on YouTube. So maybe I can do another video. When I post this on YouTube, vote in the comment section below. Should I do more or should I not?
And this is her little sister Celia, and
That's my little sister.
and
We're gonna work together and make a new channel if you vote down in the comment section below and give us, why don't we try and hit a buzzer for
like
10,000 likes. By the end of this month, let's see if we can make enough videos so that we can get 10,000 likes.
yep. Bye everyone.